to our Cinderella brides tutorials today. We're doing some filming and we're going to be doing a clean makeup look, so just skin. So a beautiful, even tone, flawless face and also décolletage area that is very simple. It is so gorgeous. We're going to do a really fun Mardi Gras look. We're going to be using all Artistry Studio collection. We're going to get into color correcting right now. And I'm just going to put that on all the areas where there is some discoloration. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be using the Artistry Hydra-V Sheer Weightless Foundation. Now what we're going to be doing is putting on the concealer, and this is the Artistry Exact Fit Perfecting Concealer in the color Light Medium. I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting, and I'm going to be going back in with our Artistry Exact Fit Perfecting Concealer. Now we're going to get into the contouring portion of this, and we are going to go again with our Artistry Exact Fit Perfecting Concealer in the color Deep. Her skin now is totally prepped, and foundation, color correcting and all that. So now we have to set this makeup. It's the Artistry Exact Fit Perfecting Loose Powder, and this is going to be in the color Light. Now this color is light, yes, and so we're not going to be putting it all over the face. We're going to be very strategic with how we're going to place this. Is the Exact Fit Perfecting Loose Powder in the color Medium. Now we're going to head over to our last color, which is going to be our contouring powder that we're going to do. This is the Artistry Exact Fit Perfecting Loose Powder in the color Dark. To the highlighting part, and this is a highlight shimmer, and this is the Artistry Studio NYC Edition Illuminating Light Up Compact. How about we do a little blush by using the Pantheon Peach. That's it for the face part, the flawless complexion look.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a new product for eyebrows, It is the Artistry Studio Parisian Style
Are we still good in
Edition
the camera? Okay.
3-in-1 Brow Shaper. This is in Café Chocolat. Dipping into the Artistry Exact Fit Loose Powder in the color Dark again. And we're going to use this as our mid-tone color or our transitioning color on the lid, and also it's going to act as like our contour. The Artistry Studio Parisian Style Edition eyeshadow palette in the color Shimmering Watercolors. Does that not just say Mardi Gras? We're going to switch palettes, which is called City of Lights, and get into this color. It's the Artistry Studio Parisian Style Edition eyeshadow palette in the color Macaroon. Original palette that we used, which was the watercolor. We're going to be using a gel eyeliner today. This is the Inglot number 77. And then I'm using the Inglot Duraline. And this is going to help to make sure that it doesn't dry out. We're going to use the Artistry Studio NYC Edition Lash Boosting 3-in-1 Mascara. So this is the Artistry Studio Parisian Style Edition Liquid Lip Color in the color Louvre Lilac.
What do you guys think? I love it.
I like that too.
I love it.
It is so fun. Now we're going to use the Artistry Makeup Setting Spray, the Parisian Style Edition, Artistry Studio.